We out here in Ferrari today with Pump. Yo, welcome back to Humble Reality. Y'all know it's been a long time. I know it's been a long time since I posted something, bro, but we're back. Today's gonna be a good day. We're headed to the Lamborghini Charlotte event. About to stop to meet my dad. About to get some breakfast with him, and then we're gonna head there. Probably gonna get some POV in the Ferrari. So y'all stay tuned. It's good. It feels good to get back recording. Not gonna lie. It's been a minute since I actually been on the camera. Reality, we out here in the Ferrari today with Pump. We out here about to go to the meet, the Lamborghini meet. Stay tuned. Let's see some more cars coming. Crazy. This car is crazy, y'all. This drop. Wow. Oh yeah, we just made it to Lamborghini Charlotte. A bunch of people, huge turnout. Whatever. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. No problem. Appreciate it. No problem. I can't see. I see the 911.
This is only.
Oh, it's a blue one.
Well, that's relation with the.
There's so many cars. Crazy. It even looks a little different. You got different paddles on yours. It's older. My son, I was like, nice to meet you, Jacob.
This is my wife, Katie.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
We live in the same building. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Yeah, he's the Ferrari I always look at.
Oh, nice. That's so funny.
We out here, y'all. It's a bunch of crazy cars. It's crazy, y'all. Crazy shit going on. This is the Ferrari we brought out today. The Pops. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more POV of us driving the car when we get ready to leave. But it's amazing. This thing drives like a dream. It's a crazy car. Crazy combo split. The colors are dope. They're insane. This clearing is wild. Love it. So many cars. The wide body on the car is wild. The rims is stupid. Insane. GT2 RS. Beautiful color. Beautiful color.